everyone, and good morning, and thanks for joining me today for excuse me, another episode of what's in my Aliexpress basket. So we have an assortment of goodies waiting for you to see. So firstly, we have 100-piece felt padded glitter hearts, and they're £1.23, and they are very pretty, very sparkly, very colourful as well. I particularly like the dusky pink colour. I think that is going to be my favourite, but you've also got red ones there for Christmas, and all different colours. Then we have 100-piece excuse me, multicolour peony flower. They're multicolour as in it's a mixed pack, and they are 86p. I have some real inexpensive craft items today, most of them less than £1. So for embellishments, etc. There is just one link to this seller shop. Go and have a little look and see what they've got. They have lots of goodies, and these are 10 pieces pearl flowers, 66p. See, bargain, an absolute bargain. I cannot remember the size of those, and I don't think I've written down too many sizes today. I also have a naughty cat who's trying to get on my shoulders once again, but I've had to stop him because I'm getting really bad neck ache. Oh, he's laid on the table now. Right, okay. Oh, we missed that. 50-piece hearts buckles they were, 66p. They zoomed past, didn't put that photo on long enough. Then we have 20 pieces white velvet flowers, £1.31. I don't know what happened with that other photo, but they were heart buckles. So if you go back, quickly pause it, you'll see just that you can put ribbon through and put them on your cards. These white velvet flowers, I think, are so super pretty. Then we have 10 purple mesh flowers with the beaded embellishment in the middle, and they are 61p for 10. Very lovely colour. I like this pink. And so my brain went dead then, because I was thinking what I was going to use them on, because I bought them specifically for some girls' birthday cards. That's what I got them for. These are 200 pieces. They're 11mm, and they're crystal sunflowers, and they're £1.22. So that one's just over £1. But you do get 200 of these. Now, I bought something like this on a strip, but you had to cut, right, go away. You had to cut them apart. So these are handy because they're already done for you. They're really good. These are half round flat back pearls. You get 50 pieces. They're 8mm, and they're 68p. I have not seen golden pearl flatbacks like this. The first time I've seen these ones. Gorgeous, because they're not such a stark white. Excuse me. They really are look vintage, don't they? Really do look aged and lovely for your projects. These are totally different. These are wire butterflies, 13 pieces for £2.24. So of course these could go on all different kinds of projects. You could glue them on cards, you could put them in journals, gift boxes, gift tags, just put them on birthday presents, etc. But they would look lovely, and we all love butterflies, or just use them for home decor. These are 100 pieces mini flower mixed colour pack, 66p for 100. These are great if you're making your own embellishments and you need a centerpiece. You've probably seen these kind of centers on lots of the bows and flowers that I get from Aliexpress, but sometimes you want to make your own. So these are really handy to have. And these are a different sort of style of organza flower than what I've I've got in my stash. There's 50 pieces. They do have like this satin look, leaves, flowers, yeah, leaves attached to them. They're £3.93 for 50, and they're not like tiny, you know, they're quite a nice size as well. And so are these ones coming up. I like these a lot. 40 pieces, satin, ivory, ribbon flowers, £3.29. They are pretty. I have had these before and I loved them, and thus to say, I have used them up, well, nearly. I've got about 10 left, but I start having a panic attack and thinking, what if I run out? What if I suddenly need 50 of them? I haven't got them. Right, you get on my shoulders and you're going to be in trouble. And these are 20mm pearl buttons. You get 30 pieces and they're £3.41. But they are a nice size. 20mm, quite big as far as projects, you know, that's quite a nice size. And you've got 30 of those, so they'll keep you going for a while as well. And coming up, we have some buttons. These are 10-piece bird buttons, and they're £1.31. I don't know what size they are, but they look a decent size, but I didn't write it down, so I can't tell you. Lots and lots of pretty birds there. A lot, you know, sort of a nice assortment. And then coming up, we have some Christmassy embellishments, 50 pieces, 15mm snowflakes. So again, they're not tiny, they're 15mm, so they're a nice size, and they're 66p. See, most of these things under £1. I just love it when you find things for under £1, because you get more things in your basket. I had to restrain myself, actually. I was very good. I didn't put too many things in. Then we have 50 pieces white bows. 20-piece white bows, 66p. I'm sorry, I jumped ahead of time. So they're just very plain and white, but sometimes your project just calls for something very subtle. The next one are 20 pieces white rabbits, and they are £1.05, and they're lovely little buttons to sew on your projects. So you get 50 of those. They'll be cute on a tag, sewn on the corner of a little tag. And rabbits are very popular as well. I find with a lot of my happy mail, I send out a lot of rabbits too. Lots of different lovely subbies love rabbits, especially this and that with Michelle. She loves rabbits. And then we have 50 pieces, 12mm white pearls, and they're round flat backs, and they're 66p. So they're half round flatbacks. Half round flatbacks. Again, another bit of a mouthful there. Right, now this one, don't normally buy black, do I? But I thought I do like these, actually. There's 30 pieces, black ribbon flowers, £2.36. But I like the white edge for them, so it breaks it up, and the rhinestone in the middle just makes it look cute. Cute. Now, if you are wanting a box of assorted colour embellishments, this box, you have 10 colours, and they are 11mm, so you get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 colours. I had to count them then, even though I just said 10, duh. And they are £5.26 for the whole lot. So you do get that assortment. I do not know exactly how many pieces because it didn't say, but you have a whole box full of these lovely blingy embellishments. Now these are like poinsettias, aren't they? There's 40 pieces, of these red flower ribbons, red flower ribbons, ribbon flowers, and they have a rhinestone centre, and they're £3.94 for 40 pieces. Very lovely for your Christmas projects, and well, you don't have to use them for Christmas because there's nothing in there that says that they are actually poinsettias. Then we have 10 pieces 18mm white roses, so quite big, you know, nice size, 66 pence. I think they're just resin, it's resin, plastic, no different, I don't know. But they are that lovely ivory, shimmery, gorgeous colour. So that's what's in my Aliexpress basket today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click on the link in the description if you're wanting to order any of the products that you have seen, and have a look at the seller shop because they have lots and lots of other goodies that I didn't put in my basket, but you might want them. So grab yourself a bargain. They have an awful lot of things for under £1. So take care for now. Love you guys and see you all very soon. Bye bye.